In this video, we'll be doing a hypothesis about a population proportion. I want to show you how to use your calculator to do that. So the question is that an opinion poll asks a simple random sample of 100 college seniors how they view their job prospects. In all, 53% say good. And we want to know if that's sufficient evidence at a significance level of alpha equals 0.05 that at least 50% of college seniors feel good about their job prospects. Now, when we say this at least 50%, that's what we're calling our P sub 0, 0.5. Okay, and we want it to be 0.5 or more. So the alternative hypothesis would be the other direction, that it's less than 0.5. So here on our calculator, we'll go to Stat, and we'll arrow over to Tests, because it falls in the test. And we'll do one proportion z-test. It's choice number 5. And we'll hit Enter. And it'll ask first for our P sub 0, and we just said that's 0.5, because that's what we're looking at. We want to say, basically, if P sub 0, if the actual population proportion is 0.5, then would this data that we got be unusual or not? Okay, so 0.5 is P sub 0. X, when we go down there, is how many what we call successes we had. 53 out of 100 said good. So those are what we call, in this case, our successes. We'll arrow down to N. We had 100 people. And again, we talked about it. We are doing a left-sided test because our alternative is being less than 50%. And we will calculate. Our p-value is really, really big. Okay? And if our p-value is larger than our level of significance, we do not have sufficient evidence to say that we should reject it. So we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. In other words, there's pretty good evidence that at least 50% of college seniors feel good about their job prospects.